And if you look over to your right, you'll see the two Wildcat helicopter maritime attacks coming in to start their display. And so I'd like to welcome you to the 2016 Black Cat Flying Display. And after the after the initial break, the aircraft are now positioning for crossing wingovers to running back towards you. It's the role of the number 2 aircraft to keep clear of the leader, and he's got to keep a close eye on these manoeuvres as they turn inbound towards you. And as they head towards us, this is a good opportunity now for a close break that the aircraft will conduct. We're going to a flat 360-degree turn. I talk about formation, and the number 2 aircraft will use various methods, but one of the wheels in line with a deck lock which hangs underneath the aircraft. And it's a deck lock that is used to hold the aircraft to the ship when it lands on, to stop it basically falling over the side. And the crews are trained to operate the aircraft in sea states up to sea state 6, which I can assure you is quite rough. As they complete their turn in, they'll be forming up into an echelon formation. And the next manoeuvre they will be doing, and I've been asked to call this on behalf of Jill, a moonwalk, and they'll be moonwalking along the crowd line. All the time the aircrew have to concentrate very hard on making sure their separation is safe. Back. The moonwalk is a pretty special part of the routine. I promise you, it's the only formation of aircraft you'll see today going backwards in formation at 50 miles an hour. The aircraft itself, its primary role is anti-surface warfare, and it operates from the stern of frigates and destroyers on the small flight deck, and operates around the world. And as they remain in echelon now and fly outbound for a formation wingover. Again, the number 2 is having to work very hard here to keep formation on the leader throughout this wingover. And as they turn in towards you, stand by for them to break apart by turning 90 degrees out and heading to either end of the display line. And things are about to get a bit more dynamic now, as the guys demonstrate the Wildcat's remarkable maneuverability using the two T800 engines, and each one generating around about 1,300 horsepower, sharp horsepower. They do opposition wingovers, and they'll be running in towards each other, accelerating hard. and they'll be passing each other at the closest point of the pass for the display. It's a flat cross with a closing speed of almost 230 miles an hour. And they're moving to another wing over for each aircraft. I talk about wing overs. It's the fastest way the aircraft can turn, and it's taught to every Wildcat pilot through training. And it's used to get the aircraft reversing rapidly in the opposite direction to either engage targets or manoeuvre out of a potentially dangerous situation. Now pulling into what they call a cyclic climb, exceeding 4,000 feet a minute rate of climb. And at the top, a nose over, when it's pointing towards the ground, accelerating down to reaching speeds of up to 150 miles an hour. And the crossing brake at ground centre while still ascending and accelerating. It's a favourite, next one's a favourite manoeuvre for the team, as they wing over towards each other and into line abreast and heading back towards the crowd. So coming back in now, they'll wing over across in front of the crowd, giving a brand new perspective and a great photo opportunity. Back out now for a final wing over, crossing again at close quarters. And they're now running in towards you to a flat cross for the final time. Today are from 825 Naval Air Squadron from the Royal Naval Air Station at Yeovilton in Somerset. And 825 trains pilots, observers and engineers on how to operate and maintain the aircraft. The Wildcat itself is at sea at the 74 Briggs